What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about some keyboard shortcuts on the YouTube player. Okay, so let's say you're watching a video and you press play. You don't have to always press play. You could also press spacebar. If you press spacebar, it'll pause it right at that spot. And if I press it again, it'll keep on going. Also, if you do K right on the keyboard, K will pause also, and if you press K again, it'll play again. What if I want to go back to the beginning of the video? I don't have to click and drag. I just need to hit the home key. That's right, home key takes me right back to the beginning. And if I also wanted to go right to the end, I can click the end key and it takes me right to the end of the video. So I can go right to the home, pause it, play it with spacebar, or pause and play with K. Pretty cool, but there's more. I can skip 5 seconds ahead by pressing the right arrow. 5, 5, 5, 5. You can do the same thing with the back arrow. Back, 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 goes back 5 seconds. And you can also use the up arrow for volume up and down arrow for volume down. You can also, if you're playing and you want to mute right away, you can just press M and it'll instantly mute it. So you can press M again and it'll toggle mute off and on. Another cool thing is if you want to do full screen, all you need to do is press the F key for full F key, makes it full screen, and it'll keep on playing there for you. And you can press F again and it'll minimize back down to the regular screen, not the entire full screen. So that's pretty cool as well. But the coolest thing that I think about these keyboard shortcuts is that you can use the number keys 1 through 9 on your keyboard, and what will happen is that depending on what number you push, it will go to that percent of the video. So in my example here, my video is 6 minutes and 38 seconds long, and if I press the 5 key, that will go to 50% of the video, and it just does, it goes right there at 3:19. Look at that, I can do math that fast in my head because I'm pressing 5, it's going to 50%, and I'm at the middle of my video. If I press 7, it's going to 70%. If I press 3, it's going to 30%. And if I press 2, well, guess where it's going? That's right, you are a genius just like me. And that is pretty cool when it comes to playing your YouTube video and controlling it with the keys. Give it a try and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.